Hey guys, it is Brother back on the channel today with another snowmobile vlog. You guys absolutely loved the last one, so we're ripping this one up today. We're gonna try doing some jumping. There's a nice jump out in the field I'm gonna hit with this thing. Hopefully all goes well. Hopefully we get some great footage today. I'll watch the swearing. As the last video, everybody complained about me swearing too much, and I agree. There was a lot of F-bombs on that one, so yeah, follow along. This thing's running great this year. I had it started a couple weeks ago, and we get her going today. Hopefully she starts up, and yeah. All right, we got her started. Just purring away. Sounds great. There she is. 580 in there. Double. Get it. So I don't know what all that picked up, but it's a fun little jump. I was hitting at 70 the last time I was out here. I'm a little less today because it's all corn stalks and stuff, and I don't want to wreck the track. I don't want to wreck my track. I don't want to wreck the snowmobile, but